Starting around 12 October 2023, Nexo truly is exchanging at 53 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.63% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. Nexo basically has a sort of all-out market cap of $294,710,586, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,417,456 in a very large manner. This certainly makes Nexo fundamentally positioning at 96 in the digital money market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo basically be in every practical sense worth in 2023, or so they really thought? Is Nexo a very wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Will Nexo cost generally outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner? These really are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost basically is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of 76 cents, the normal truly least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to for the most part be 72 cents in an essentially huge manner. Besides, Nexo can essentially arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest value level of 81 cents, by and large further appearance, how additionally Nexo can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 81 cents, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is estimated to be at around a truly least worth of 61 cents. The Nexo value worth can explicitly arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of 69 cents with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Nexo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is supposed to basically be at around a kind of least of 66 cents, or so they certainly thought. Nexo cost can fundamentally arrive at a very limit of 72 cents, with the truly normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, in a sort of significant way. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, showing that will Nexo cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they truly thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around 71 cents in an extremely huge manner. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is in every practical sense anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an especially normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 78 cents and an exceptionally least of 72 cents, showing that Nexo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo truly is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least 66 cents, or so they basically thought. Nexo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an especially least of 72 cents in an essentially significant manner. Nexo cost can truly arrive at a for the most part limit of 81 cents, with the very normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo genuinely passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhat diminished by 1.9% in its ongoing worth, which generally shows that besides Nexo can generally arrive at a truly greatest value level of 81 cents, kind of additional appearance how besides Nexo can by and large arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 81 cents in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap especially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo in every practical sense is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins, which generally shows that Nexo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to all things considered be at around a really least of 66 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 4.57% in the truly most recent 7 days in a sort of huge manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past, especially couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for commonly at the same time, we don't in every way that really matters. Imagine that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, which fundamentally shows that Nexo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to generally be at around and in every practical sense, least of 72 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo certainly diminished by 26.846%. Disposing of an astounding extremely normal amount of 19 cents from its ongoing worth, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a great in a real sense, purchase a valuable open door for the most part fast interest in a fundamentally significant manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 37.49%. And the value sort of circled from a base certainly normal cost of 79 cents to in every practical sense, most extreme by and large normal cost of 86 cents, in the especially beyond 90 days, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo by and large is somewhere near 28.88% with the extremely greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of the coin basically was around 67 cents. And the base kind of typical cost of for the most part was around 65 cents in truly beyond 4 months, showing that Nexo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo is supposed to generally be at around a very least of 72 cents. Which really is genuinely huge. Nexo value estimate 2023 facts. What will sort of be Nexo in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo cost especially is determined to explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 81 cents, with certainly least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how by and large is Nexo a very wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, in a kind of significant manner. Does Nexo have a future, which all things considered, is very huge. As far as value, Nexo in a real sense has an exceptional truly potential to truly arrive at new levels in every practical sense. Further appearance how Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, exhibiting that will Nexo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, which really is very huge. It generally is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. As per for the most part unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can in a real sense hit the fundamentally the greatest cost of $24.07 till 2030, so these explicitly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a significant manner. Is Nexo truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Nexo's worth is supposed to generally keep on growing, as deficiency will in general basically support cost rise, which is genuinely huge. If it's